Have you ever wondered how things are created? Or how those amazing photos and videos you admire are made? If you have, then stay right here. This could be the opportunity you have been waiting for. Hello and welcome. My name is Edoga Chukwode, the CEO of Dreams ICT Academy. Today, I want to introduce you to a powerful opportunity, the TVET training in creative media production. But before I continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we share information that will benefit you. Also, follow us on Facebook, on facebook.com/DistroDreamsNG. So what is the TVET program? TVET stands for Technical and Vocational Education and Training Program. It is designed to move young Nigerians from interest to skill and from skills to opportunities. It is practical, hands-on, and built around real industry needs. TVET focuses on equipping young people with practical and job-ready skills that can lead to employment, self-reliance, and entrepreneurship. This creative media production program is implemented under the IDS project, coordinated by the Federal Ministry of Education with support from the World Bank. Digital Dreams ICT Academy is delivering this program as an approved training service provider, ensuring quality, transparency, and national relevance. Digital Dreams have been empowering Nigerian youths with digital skills since 2007, and we have presence in 5 states with an online audience of more than 35,000 followers. Our training program follows the National Occupational Standard (NOS) and the National Skill Qualification (NSQ) framework. This is what it means for you. It means that you are learning industry-approved skills. Training is structured and measurable. Your skills will also be recognized and be transferable. You will learn how to handle professional cameras, understand lighting, framing, and composition, shoot high-quality video content, edit videos professionally, work in real production teams, intern in creative companies, and also learn how to use modern tools like artificial intelligence in filmmaking. This training prepares you for the real creative industry, not just the classroom. In designing this program, we asked ourselves, how can we make a greater impact? This is true because we believe in the maxim, ask not what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. We need to train people at scale, not just in hundreds, but in thousands, because we believe in the Nigerian youth, and with the proper training, they can achieve wonders. So we are extending this program to go beyond the physical classes. Alongside those who will be joining the physical classes, we are offering this program as a massive open online course, MOOC. The MOOC is completely free. You are not going to pay a single dime to learn this program, both in physical and the online class. This will allow you to join the class if you are not selected for the physical class. You can also learn online at no cost. You watch lesson videos anytime, learn at your own pace, and continue improving even after the physical sessions. At the end of the program, every participant will complete a capstone project, the creation of a short film. This short film becomes your portfolio, your proof of skill, your entry point into the creative industry, right? And so isn't that amazing? Now, let me clearly explain who can apply, because I know you will want to apply. To be eligible for this TVET Creative Media Production Program, you must be a Nigerian citizen, be 18 years and above, and not be more than 35 years, have a valid national identity number, NIN. If you have met this criteria, thumbs up. and you have interest in film media creation or storytelling, then this opportunity is right here for you. You don't need to be an expert already. What you need is commitment, curiosity, and the willingness to learn. At Digital Dreams ICT Academy, we believe that creativity backed by skill can change lives. So if you qualify, I invite you, come and learn, come and build real skills, come and create your future. Thank you, as I look forward to welcoming you to the TVET Creative Media Production Program.